Auto parts supplier First Brands will retain 345 employees previously slated for layoffs at its TMD Tiffin facility in Ohio. The company announced in February that it would close the site and cut 407 workers on April 30th. It now plans to keep 345 of them through May 31st, with the remaining employees losing their jobs as scheduled. The February warn notice listed impacted employees, which included press operators, production handlers, engineers, maintenance workers, and quality control staff. First Brands said the postponement stems from ongoing attempts to sell certain U.S. facilities. These efforts followed a Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing in September 2025 when the company reported more than $10 billion in debt. In January, it launched a process to sell all or parts of the business, including brands such as Autolite spark plugs, Anco windshield wiper blades, and FRAM filters. The company's struggles began last October when its CEO and founder Patrick James resigned amid an accounting scandal that left lenders scrambling to find over $2 billion in missing funds. Federal prosecutors indicted James in January, along with his brother Edward, a senior executive at First Brands, accusing the siblings of perpetrating a years-long multi-billion-dollar fraud scheme. A recent Wall Street Journal report said an examiner alleged First Brands maintained 2 sets of books and that James built the company into a network of more than 25 auto parts brands to generate and extract liquidity. The report alleged James used inflated acquisitions to divert more than $700 million to himself or entities he controlled. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.